Hello friends, welcome to my video. In today's video I'm going to show you a website. The name of the website is stackblitz.com, and in this website you can create projects of HTML, CSS and JavaScript for free. And here you can see click bug, report and done. Stay in the flow with instant dev experience. No more hours slashing, pulling, installing locally. Just click and start coding. It's a very useful website for coders. And here you can see the side you can do coding like Node.js, JavaScript, TypeScript, React and other also. And you can do different things in this website, and it's totally free. You can make interactive documentation, rapid prototyping, being able to instantly open and share environments has significantly reduced our team support, and the first dev environment faster and more secure than local. And here you can see it can run on Node.js, it can run on stackblitz web containers, including backend functionality and libraries, meaning you can run servers in your browser. So it's a great website for web designers, web developers. So don't forget to check out this website and have a great day.